As we discussed previously, market has performed exactly what we have decided. We had decided that above this level we'll look for buying opportunities, and we got 32 pips. And now I'll modify new support and resistances. And we got further also, but our target was this only. So fee is fixed. We trade our plan and plan our trade. Okay. Support and resistances have been modified. So any downward movement, we look for buying opportunities. When it gives a double bottom type of pattern or makes a W bottom or makes a W type of pattern, then only we have to look for buying opportunities. Until then, we have to do same as we did earlier also, which is sell in half quantity and buy in full quantity. And this remains obvious that above this level only we'll have to look for buying opportunities, and this will be a no trade zone, NT. Okay. And below this level we can look for selling opportunities. The recovery is like this, then we have to look for buying opportunities. If it comes slowly, then we have to look for shorting opportunities from here till here. Okay. Same in EURUSD also. We had predicted that above this level we have to look for shorting opportunities, and in here once we get a double bottom type of pattern, then we have to look for buying opportunities. But the thing is, it made W pattern, a double bottom type of pattern in here, not here. So we can't do anything. We have achieved easily from here till here on trail SL basis 16 pips, and above this level we have to look for buying opportunities. We didn't got one. So I'll modify new support and resistances. Good curve move from here till here, then a V-shape recovery, and then another move and another move. So there are very high chances it will reach here, then make another this type of pattern, and then after breakout we can look for good buying. But this whole scenario will point out and will be made. So in this whole region from here, from here till here, trade in half quantity and look for buying opportunities. Half QTY. Okay. Trade in half quantity and look for buying opportunities from here till here. Target will be same and next level. Keep on exiting because it is a very volatile area and there are very high chances that it might give you too much SL. So 3 stop loss a day is the target, and below this level you can look for shorting opportunities, and if it crosses this level then we can see a good down move. But until then, keep on trading in half quantity only. Okay, there are 3 scenarios. First is it will take support from here and give target from here till here, and then another target 2, and this is target 3. Okay, on a long term basis it looks like it will give a inverted head and shoulders type of pattern. So we can see that it will make a good curve right shoulder and another small right shoulder and then give a breakout. Same in GBPUSD also. We had decided that above this level we have to look for shorting opportunities, and we got one also. We have achieved 31 pips, and I'll modify new support and resistances. Okay, so new support and resistances have been modified. It will still remain same. We have to short in half quantity and buy in full quantity, because reason being it is also looking like inverted head and shoulders, all the pairs, all the forex pairs. So there are very high chances you can see a short-term move from here till here, and then a buying move. And if it crosses below this level, then we can look for selling opportunities from here till here, and then again it will be an area for buying. And if it doesn't give a breakdown, then there are very high chances we can see further down move and very deeper down move. So above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, which will be clear. Okay, but it's better that let this whole pattern play out. If it doesn't play out, then you can take a trade small stop loss. So in Bitcoin also I told that in this whole zone it's better not to trade and trade in half quantity because of the volatility. You can see I told from above this level we can look whole level. We have decided not to trade and trade in half quantity, reason being this volatility, and the analysis will still remain same, nothing major changes. We have decided that it will work in this same manner. We have to again trade in half quantity only. Once a candle gives a good close above this level, then only we have to look for buying opportunities from here till here. And it's better that we take a shorting trade only below this level, and this is a no trade zone. Okay. In gold also we have decided that above this level we have to look for buying opportunities. Any V-shape recovery, any sudden down move, then we can expect a V-shape recovery, and below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities. So from here we have achieved 490 pips easily from here till here, but the problem is it went only 80% in a direction. They then gave a complete reversal. So no problem, our trail SL got it. So above this level we have to take entry in half quantity only, no changes. Okay. Any V-shaped, any sudden down move, then we can expect a V-shaped recovery, and below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities. And while taking an upside move, you have to take in half quantity only, reason being it is at the top and we never know what the target is and how much it will achieve, because you can see that from here till here it went 80% and then gave a complete reversal. So we can expect such moves. So it's better only trail SL will stop us and will save us. Thank you. If you like my videos, please like and share, friends. Thank you.